In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an MP4 file to MP3 right here on macOS. Let's jump right in with this example video file. First, we need to extract the audio from this video. Go ahead and right-click on your video file, hover over Open With, and select QuickTime Player. Once QuickTime is open, go up to the File menu on the menu bar, navigate to Export As, and select Audio Only. Choose where you want to save it and click Save. You'll notice this gives us an M4A file. Now, our job is to convert this M4A into a standard MP3. We're going to use the native music app for this. Go ahead and open the music app. You don't need to sign in or have a paid subscription. Since it's built into macOS, just launch it. Next, make sure you're in the Songs section in the sidebar and simply drag the audio file you just exported right into the music app window. Now, go to the File menu, choose Convert, and look for Create MP3 Version. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Just go to the Music menu and click Settings. In the Files tab, click the Import Settings button. Check the Import Using dropdown. If it's not set to MP3 encoder, go ahead and change it to MP3 encoder, then click OK. Now, when you go back to the File menu and select Convert, you'll see the Create MP3 Version option. Click that, and the app will instantly create an MP3 version for you. Finally, just drag that new file out of the Music app and drop it into your Finder window. And there you go, you have your MP3 file. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.